Good day, I'm Tamara McHale and this is your JIS news for Monday, November 23. 40 female wards of the state aged 18 to 21 years old are to be housed in Jamaica's first transitional apartment complex. This follows Friday's groundbreaking at Lady Musgrave Drive in Kingston.
We have to ensure that we do all we can to assist our children to transition from innocent, secure childhood into wholesome, fulfilling teenage years. We also have to facilitate their progress into becoming responsible, successful adults. That is a mission in which we dare not fail.
The $1.45 million Transitional Living Program is a collaboration involving the Child Development Agency, USAID, UWI Open Campus, Caribbean Child Development Center, and the Social Welfare Training Center. Construction will start in January and should be completed in a year's time. Over the 2-year period that the girls will be living at the apartment, they will be exposed to skills training, mentorship, and job opportunities. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller said the USAID and other stakeholders had pledged to replicate the program in St. Elizabeth for 40 males in state care. The UWI Open Campus also announced that it would be offering 1-year education scholarships for 30 female and 15 male wards of the state. Residents of Gregory Park, St. Catherine are now benefiting from a $15 million community resource center. Opened recently, the building was constructed under Phase 2 of the Community Empowerment and Transformation Project COMET. It's funded by the United States Agency for International Development. The Resource Center boasts an office for community development officers and spaces for civic events, business enterprise activities, and community-based policing. It also has water catchment facilities, solar panels, environmentally safe waste disposal, and disaster risk reduction equipment.
It is a worthwhile initiative, and I am very certain that you're going to be very proud of this resource center. So I'm very pleased that this space has been made available for the police to be here and to reassure and to serve and to protect the residents.
COMET 2, which targets 25 communities in Kingston, St. Andrews, St. Catherine, Clarendon, and St. James, seeks to build the capacity of communities to prevent crime and other social issues. Government is undertaking a combination of measures to deter persons from stealing electricity across the island. These include the imposition of a $1 million fine and imprisonment for persons found guilty of electricity theft, greater public education campaigns, and the implementation of technology so that persons cannot breach the power systems.
But very importantly, the government has recently established NISAL. It's a new company that will continue to provide rural electricity, but also to engage in providing infrastructure in various communities where the activity of theft is prevalent.
Energy Minister Philip Paulwell says the measures are guided by the new Electricity Act, which seeks to provide a modern codified system for regulating the generation, transmission, supply, distribution, and dispatch of electricity. Minister Paulwell was speaking during a recent CARICOM Energy Week school tour at the Harborview Primary School. Expectations are high for the planned liquefied natural gas hub on Jamaica's south coast. Industry Minister Anthony Hilton says the LNG hub will be a magnet for ships passing through the expanded Panama Canal.
The U.S. government's decision to permit the shipping of LNG to Jamaica is indeed catalytic to the revival of Jamaica's status as a maritime state.
The minister made the remarks at the recent Leadership Dialogue and Colloquium Forum. It was staged in partnership with the U.S. Embassy, Futures Forum, and the Institute of Caribbean Studies at the University of the West Indies. Government is targeting international financial services, bamboo, the creative economy, medical cannabis, and hemp as growth areas to fuel Jamaica's economy.
We believe that these industries will be the source of future investment. These investments are also facilitated with the knowledge that they will create opportunities for our MSMEs and entrepreneurs to provide support services.
Industry Minister Anthony Hilton was speaking during a business forum to mark Global Entrepreneurship Week. And finally, the Caribbean Maritime Institute, CMI, is being lauded for its approach to training Jamaicans based on industry demand. Transport and Works Minister Dr. Omar Davies gave the commendation at a ceremony where 120 students graduated from the institution with certification in logistics, shipping, and industrial engineering. 95% of the graduates have already been placed in jobs.
The CMI, in its own way, is showing the direction in which tertiary education must go in terms of not training persons, certifying persons, and hoping that somehow they'll fit in, but certifying persons with a specific objectives in mind.
And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Tamar McHale. Thank you for watching.